Welcome guys back to another video, and today I have some exciting news because a couple of days ago me and Dad went and picked up a John boat. It's 8 o'clock and it's pouring a flood right now, but me and Dad just got a John boat. Yeah, Dad, get hyped up.
Woo!
John boat
project.
John boat project coming soon. So this is the start of the journey of fixing up the John boat. It's gonna be really fun, and hopefully we get to bring you guys along with the journey and vlog almost everything. And today we're gonna be going to Lowe's to get the materials to start fixing it up. Catch you guys there. Alrighty, so me and Dad's at Lowe's and we're gonna go get the stuff to start fixing up the John boat.
Yeah, we are gonna make it smooth.
Alrighty, so Lowe's was kind of a bust, but we did end up grabbing some paint for the boat. And now we're gonna head to Walmart and see if they got Flex Seal and maybe like some epoxy stuff. Dad, you got anything to say?
No, it's a good trip. We'll get some more next time. Epoxy here. Yo.
Dad, we got the Flex Seal.
Flex on the Flex Seal.
So me and Dad got the boat right here and we are about to start the process of cleaning it, but it is raining. So I'll just show you the before and afters of it, and I'll catch you guys whenever we get done.
Your time.
Are you having fun, Dad?
Yeah, I'm with me.
Alrighty, so the problem is that the rain is taking off the bleach and the mean green.
Faster than we can put it on.
Yeah, faster so it can dry. And we're gonna come back maybe tomorrow and see if it's not pouring a flood, and maybe we can really get it. But I do think it's getting a little bit cleaner, and yeah. So I'll catch you guys then. Alrighty, so it's the next day and I'm gonna start spraying the boat with some bleach and some mean green and try to get all the stuff off the bottom. While I'm waiting for the boat to dry, I'm going to shoot a little basketball. If I make this shot, you have to like and subscribe. Alrighty, so the Clorox and the mean green is probably done drying, so I'm gonna spray all of it off with a hose. I'm gonna scrub it with these two things and maybe I can get off some of the dirt. Alrighty, so I can't flip the boat over by myself, so I'm gonna have to wait for Dad to come home so then we can flip it over and then clean the inside. But we will probably have to clean the outside again, and I don't think the black stuff is gonna come off, but it's okay, we can just spray over it with Flex Seal. But I do believe it got a little bit cleaner. Definitely, I scrubbed off a lot of dirt. Here's the other side. Yeah, I think it looks a lot better. But we'll probably have to clean the inside and the outside probably one more time maybe. Alrighty, so Dad's here and he helped me flip over the boat. So while he tries to take off this rusty old wooden piece, I'm gonna be spraying the inside of the boat. more cleaning.
Get some. Row, row, row your boat gently down the driveway. It's only gravel, soon it'll be water, and you will be cool.
Alrighty, so me and Dad just got done cleaning the inside of the boat, and Dad took off the wooden panel in the back, and tomorrow we're hopefully gonna get done some flex spray around there.
I'm gonna flex on the flex spray.
Alrighty, it's the next day and it is raining again, but I did set up this canopy looking thing, and yes, it does have a hole in it, but I'm gonna try to flex seal as much as I can and hopefully it stays dry underneath here. So let's get straight into it. That's probably all I can do right now since it's like wet over there, and I ran out of my first can, but that's how much we got done, and hopefully it sets good. The rain may mess with it, so hopefully it goes good. Alrighty, so it's a little bit later in the day since the last time you seen me, but the first coat of Flex Seal is dry. But now it's time to use the second can and see if I can clean up some of it. We are gonna need a couple more cans, so yeah. Alrighty, so this is what the boat is looking like after 2 cans of Flex Seal. I think it's looking pretty good. We're probably gonna need about 6 cans to be honest, but yeah. Alrighty, so it's been a couple of days since the last time I've worked on the John boat, but I gotta head to our local Ace to get some Flex Seal and maybe some other cool stuff. So I'll catch you guys there. Got the Flex Seal. Alrighty, so we're back with the Flex Seal, and I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore with any more flex sealing, so I'm just gonna show you the before and afters. Before and after. We got a lot done. We got that spray painted, and we got a lot of the top, mostly all white, and then the other side. It's pretty much all white besides these 2 parts right there. And I gotta get off the stickers.
All right, we're gonna be taking off the numbers on the side to be able to put new numbers on and to finish painting and finishing up the boat. So we're gonna be scraping these numbers off, and these stickers, these old stickers, we'll be putting on new ones when we get it completely finished. Dane's at basketball practice, so I'm gonna work on this and see if we can get it done for him. All right, we got done. We got all the stickers off. Seemed to go well. Still kind of see the shadow of them there, but the stickers are off. Ready to finish sealing it up good, and then putting some paint on it. Trouser trout fishing.
Alrighty guys, it's been about a month since the last time me and Dad worked on the John boat, and where we left off is me and Dad finally got the full John boat painted white and Flex sealed up pretty good. But the next step is me and Dad's going to So the next step of the John boat build is that me and Dad has some epoxy stuff, and we're just gonna roll it along these seams to really seal it up. And after that, we get to finally paint it green. Alrighty, so me and Dad's got the epoxy right here, and it's gonna take about 6 to 8 minutes to stir. So let's get stirring.
So we're gonna take this, we'll take this part, we're gonna pour it in here, just like so, and then we're gonna start stirring.
Let me start the timer real quick. 8 minutes.
You can go ahead and start it. Let's get to stirring. Dun, 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 dun. Stir it in my witch's brew.
I'm gonna use this to wipe it down real quick before we put on the resin. Let's go. It's time to start rolling.
Where let me pour first.
Let's start right here. And just like pour it.
We're not doing the sides.
Yeah. Alrighty, so this is what the John boat's looking like right now. I think it's looking pretty good. We got most of the bottom done, but me and Dad's gonna finish up the rest of it, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we get done. So this is what the boat looks like after one can of it, but that's all we're gonna use. And we got pretty much all of the bottom covered, and it looks really good. Alrighty, so next time you see us, we're gonna be painting the boat green. It's painting time! All right, let's go.
So I wouldn't suggest doing this in 90-degree weather, but it's 90 degrees basically.
I'm sweating right now.
If you want to get a good sweat, a sauna sweat, I suggest doing this. This is good to do.
Alrighty, so the boat is painted completely green finally, and the next step is to flip the boat over and to paint the inside. Alrighty, so the last part of painting the John boat is that me and Dad have to move the tires right there and then flip it over and then paint the inside. So we're about to do that right now. Alrighty, so to finish up spray painting the inside of the boat, we're gonna need to go back to the store and get some more of this stuff. But yeah. Alrighty, so me and Dad have the inside of the boat painted now, and this is gonna be the end of part 1. If you guys enjoyed, stay tuned for part 2.